hot burger. Yeah. Huh?
What is that?
I couldn't get it out.
Wow.
Do I need to tear it?
Yep, tear it up.
What does it know?
What does it say? It says happy birthday. It says happy birthday right there.
Hello. Hey.
Can I help her rip it? No. Aw.
Oh, yeah.
Just rip it up and drop it on the floor. There you go.
That's the keys. It wasn't too bad. I mean, you know.
Can I help you, please? Mom, Samanda's not going to let me help her.
Well, it's her birthday. Come on. What is that?
Now they're doing that test Monday. Is that right? Happy they said after this. All right. Then. All right. All right. Have a good night. All right. Bye.
Mama, can we play with this?